In this video, I'm going to show you guys a few different tiers of restaurants here in the greater Pattaya, Chonburi area, or different types of restaurants. I think you guys are going to enjoy this video because these three restaurants I'm going to show you are completely different. So earlier, a few days ago, I was out with my buddies doing a motorbike ride in Bangsan. And we came across this noodle restaurant, which we didn't know, but it's like a famous YouTube place, not necessarily for the noodles, but for the chef, like hostess owner that has a really, really big smile and her attitude is so bright. And I think you guys are going to really enjoy her. She's known as the Queen of Noodles. And I'm going to introduce you to her later in the video. But right now, I am at Hemingways on the lake for a Sunday roast. That's what I'm going to eat now. I'm also going to show you a French restaurant in Jomtien I ate at the other day. So three totally different experiences. All have their high points. There's no low points that I've seen yet. I've yet to eat in here, but I heard it's good. So let's go check it out. So here are the choices for the Sunday roast. There's 4 choices, but I'm doing the 3-meat mix. I'm getting lamb,
chicken, beef,
and chicken. Chicken, beef, and lamb. He's getting chicken, pork, and beef. No lamb for this guy. But it's like a buffet, like you just go up. So this is it, the inside of this Hemingways here. Kind of interesting. Let's go take a look at the food. Looks pretty delicious. So I guess you just pick your sides. Oh, they're gonna have to get some more mashed potatoes. Okay, cop. Okay, so the beef and lamb and pork or chicken, I don't know. They're refilling stuff. Little bar over here, right on the water, right on the lake. And let me get my food, and I will advise you guys.
Beef pork.
Him, Chris, chicken, meat, pork. That's you. They warm it up a little bit in the air fryer. It's a lot better than a microwave, right? All right, guys, I gotta load this up, so I have to let you go for a minute. Well, there's the finished product, guys. I got shit piled on top of shit, but it all looks delicious. Got the Yorkshire pudding, got roast potatoes, got cheesy cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, all the meats, mashed potatoes. I'm about to dump gravy all over everything. Now the test. Let's go right for the meat. Cutting right into the roast. We'll see how it is. It says it's Wagyu. I don't know if they have Wagyu in Thailand, but I don't think this is Wagyu. Try the chicken. Chicken nice and soft.
This chicken works good.
Okay, Hemingways by the lake. 380 baht was the total bill for 3 different meats and all those sides. Now the meats they put on, you know, it's a decent amount, not huge, not small, but you can pile up all those sides as high as you want. I mean, I'm friggin' stuffed. I couldn't even finish. I feel like a dick because I piled it up a little bit, but my stomach shrunk a little bit. I've been eating like 1 meal a day, and I could not finish it. So, all right, let me show you the other 2. Next, I'll show you the French restaurant, and I'll leave the Noodle Queen for last. I'm eating dinner tonight in Jomtien at Natan's. It's a French restaurant, apparently. Never ate here before. Meeting some high-soul friends tonight. High-soul friends are in town. I usually don't eat at, you know, nice restaurants like this, but since I'm here, I'm going to show it to you guys. I looked at the menu. It looks pretty nice, pretty nice. So let's get in there. I'll show you the food. So my friends Gloria and Dave are here from Texas. What kind of fish did you order?
Salmon.
Salmon. Okay, I wanted to see that. What did you get, Dave?
Like a grapal move.
Oh, that's French.
Straight to the Thai.
Is that French?
Straight to the Thai.
Well, he just got back, so you know he hasn't had time. All right, I'll show you guys what this food looks like in a minute. Gloria got the salmon, and look at that. I like how that skin, like, or the outside looks crunchy like that.
Yeah.
And then Chris got the, what was that, the beef bolognese? Something?
Yes.
It smells delicious.
What is
Okay.
that? Katsu?
Oh, okay. This is me. This is the truffle.
No, this is fried
Filet with the truffle. See, look at that. Look at that filet. Oh, it's got mushrooms underneath too. They come with the spaghetti, or that's extra?
That's yeah, French bolognese.
Bolognese. Okay. All right, boys, order dessert.
Try the chocolate mousse.
There we go, a little bit of chocolate mousse, but this is the star right here. Look at that. That's an apple thing inside?
Some sort of apple, yeah.
Apple with the strawberry inside. Okay, look at that.
Ice cream and apple. No,
We all got
it's a fried tortilla. It's not a number.
Although I don't know if this could be your ice cream in here, Chris. I don't know.
I don't know.
That was the wrong one. That was Chris's chocolate ice cream. I couldn't tell until I got a big chunk of ice cream in it. This is the mousse.
There's a lot of moose.
So yeah, that's definitely mousse now. See?
It doesn't look even like an elk.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, here's an old one.
That was the ice cream, Greeny.
So, all right, you know, sometimes you got to go out and treat yourself. If you guys could do me a quick favor and subscribe to this channel, it really helped me out, helps push the video out. Also got another question for you guys. Do you enjoy the food videos? I'm trying to mix in some different things. I got a little real estate, little stupidity videos, me running around, some more stuff from Europe. Do you enjoy food videos? Should I keep including those in? Let me know. On to the next place. I think you're going to enjoy this. We'll meet the Queen of Noodles. I had no idea how many YouTube features she's been featured on and profiled, and videos about her making these noodles, you know. Huge personality, nice lady. Let's head over there. Bang San, the Queen of Noodles, Thailand. Today for lunch, we're having Duday noodles. And this lady works here. She's very pretty, and my friends all are taking pictures with her. Apparently she's the hostess with the mostest. That's what you really call the hostess with the mostest, right? Mostest? Yeah. So let's go take a look in here. And this is sriracha, right? Sriracha? I think it's sriracha. Bangsan. What is the name of this place? What is the name of this place?
My name is Nun Lady Nun ดูดีค่ะ
Okay.
ดูดีเจ๊อูดูดีเจ๊อูบางแสน
And what is this?
ต้มยำ not spicy
Okay. Not spicy because I'm a big baby. No spicy for me.
spicy
Look at that, guys. Wow, doesn't that look delicious? I already started chowing down on it, but it's got these pork bones, and this meat just falls off of here. Look at that. It's like a roast. It's just like so soft to me.
Meat, pork, something or other? Something edible? Yeah. You want some? Chris? You sure?
So my buddy Mark ordered this soup, and it comes in like a gelatinous pork ball, but not in a ball. It lines the whole bowl. It's like a meat. There was also a huge egg in there that was lined with that. It was like a Thai Scottish egg. Oh, that's what it looked like. Oh, there was a shrimp in there too, right? Wow. So when you go on a motorbike ride with a bunch of people, and then you gotta divvy up the bill, that's a pain in the ass when you eat that. Mark, you should just be a nice guy and pay for everybody.
right? And Gary said he was going to do that. So
Oh, Gary, you're.
yeah, round of applause for Gary.
Gary, thank you. Wait, I already paid for mine.
How much you got to pay? How much did you pay? I have the same as you.
Mine was 80. I gave 100. Who are you?
Queen of Noodles
Queen of Noodle,
Yeah,
Thailand.
Thailand
Is that a real thing? Like you were in a show, like a contest?
แปลว่าอะไร
No. And that's you there?
Yeah, me.
And oh, these are celebrities in Thailand.
Yeah.
So many Thailand celebrities come here and make video. How many Falang make video here?
Yeah.
How many Falang have made video here?
A lot.
Oh, they have?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I will have to Google and see because I didn't know my friend bring us here. Okay. Well, Kap Kun Kap, this is the place here. And it was very good. All these things with these giant pork, what do you call that? Like a pork knuckle? A pork? Pork bone, yeah. So it's really good. All right, guys. Kap Kun Kap. Kap Kun Kap.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. Thank you.